Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. Okay, so this is a troubleshooting video and I'm going to show you how to fix a problem when you use the third method of creating helpdesk tickets, i.e. this is the via logged users, and you do not have the helpdesk contact here for selection. So actually, if you do not have this field, this blue field here, then it means it is just a normal Redmine issue that you are creating. So you need this, so your new issue should be a helpdesk ticket. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it to you so it is going to be clear afterward. Okay, so you go to your issues list and then click on new issue. Okay, and then you see that there is no helpdesk contact here. This is a normal Redmine issue. Okay, so to solve this problem you have to go to the settings of this project and then helpdesk, and here you have to double check the ticket tracker, the helpdesk ticket tracker. In our case it is support. So the ticket should be support as a tracker, and then you will have the successful result. So let's go again and create a new issue. Okay, so from the drop down menu here we select support, and now we see that the helpdesk contact is now appearing and we will have a brand new helpdesk ticket at the end of the creation. Okay, so this is a simple solution, and a couple of more words that I should say. When you actually go here again, there is an option to select all. So if you select all, then no matter which tracker is selected here, every time there will be a helpdesk contact and every time there will be a helpdesk ticket at the end. So let's try. We save the changes and now we have ticket tracker all. Okay, so we go back to issues and create a new one. Okay, so when we click here, then we see that the tracker is task, and even though it is a task, we have helpdesk contact here because we have selected all trackers to be helpdesk tickets. Okay, and one more thing, you could also have a problem that this is not appearing. For example, if you select any of these trackers and afterward no helpdesk contact is appearing no matter which tracker you select, then it means that here into the ticket tracker options the none option is selected. So yeah, when nothing is selected here, then no helpdesk ticket will be created no matter which tracker you have selected. So this is the opposite thing of the all option. Alright, so okay, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.